All right, so I recently received a cold email from a lead gen agency, which is like pretty much ironic. I run a lead gen agency, and a lead gen agency reached out to me, but I really didn't like the email, and I'm gonna show you what the email looks like. And I really had to put out this meme because I didn't like their email. And I don't also want to put their company's name or something like that. Yeah, of course. But I'm gonna show you what was wrong with the email and how they could have make it better that they would have make me get on the call with them. Right. So let me just make it smaller and let me just make this bigger so you all can say it. All right. So first of all, it landed in spam, right? I'm just gonna read the email to you guys, and then I'm gonna tell you all of the reasons why this was a really bad email. Number one, sorry, not number one, but yeah. Hey Smith, if you guys aren't at a capacity at the moment, I have noticed an uptick in the businesses searching for legionexperts.com services. Assuming that you are able to take on new business, I would love to put you in front of these businesses and discuss a small business pricing option. When can we connect for 15 minutes to get you in front of some leads? Thanks, Steven. Book a time with me here. And there's an actual link, right? So, Steven, if you're watching this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually make your email way good, way better, that you can get business owners like me on the call with you. All right. So, why it's bad? First of all, it landed in spam. Doesn't matter how good your copy is, how good your offer is, how good your lead list is, bro. If you're landing in spam, number one, your campaign is dead on arrival, on the spot. The email you have written, the best email, the best offer email, the with the best lead list and everything with the best thing, prospects are gonna find that email after weeks. Some of the prospects don't even check the spam folder, right? Even if they do, the trust is gone already because you are in the spam folder, right? Second thing, my bad. Second thing, it reads like a mass marketing email, right? Like hey Smith, like from hey Smith to pricing options, right? The whole email has nothing specific to me. It looks like that it went to everyone, no one gets on a call, right? So let me just show you. I have noticed an uptick in businesses searching for lead gen experts.com services. Number one thing, you should never put company's domain or company's website in the email. Number one, it gets if if it gets the URL into the email body, which gets you in the spam. Second of thing, this doesn't look professional. If you could have said like, "Hey, I have noticed an uptick in businesses searching for your company's services" or something like that, or Legion services, might be better. But assuming that you're able to take on new businesses, I would love to put you in front of this business. This looks like that this guy has written in a doc and then just sending it to everyone, right? There is no specificity to me, like what kind of businesses or anything like that, right? This looks like you have been sending this to everyone. But if this would work if this was 2020, it's 2013 or something, bro. The competition is so big nowadays in cold emails that this doesn't even work, right? So looks like mass marketing. Doesn't look like that this is written specifically for me. I just delete it instantly. The first line doesn't uh on the second, right? By watching like, hey, if you guys are in the capacity, I have noticed. Not reading it. I'm getting tons of different emails like this. Like, I have noticed an mistake in the business searching for your services is a vague claim with no resource. Sorry, with no source, no number, nothing to check it against. This call to action is premature and lazy. Like, when can we connect for 15 minutes? Ask for a time before owning it. Like, bro, you have not given me any kind of value in the email or never gave me any kind of more information on what I'm going to get on the call. Never going on a call with you. Too many links. There was email link, there was meeting link, there was company's domain link. many links. I just had it because I don't want to show the company name, but I mean, yeah, too many company links, booking links plus extras links hurt deliverability, especially from a new sender, which is the part of a why this landed in a spam. Right. These are the five reasons. Could be more. Don't know, but I mean, yeah, these are the top five reasons. Okay, what makes this better? Number one, fix your deliverability. None of the copy matters until the email actually lands. I mean, which is true. Open with a question, not an assumption. Like some like you can use like poke the bear thing, which is like, hey, do you have room to onboard more clients right now or something? Or like, hey, something like that. I mean, don't have anything on top of my mind, but something like this, right? Will which like if someone is reading like, hey, do you have more room to onboard more clients right now or this quarter? I would automatically think if someone is sending this to me, like, oh, this might be a new prospect, or hey, this might be a new like a potential client. This will automatically makes me read the whole email, right? Now, number thing, make the claim provable, like name the source and a number, like this is something that I learned from Jordan Crawford, which is like PEP framework. I mean, you can research like, hey, we ran a research or we ran a search throughout our database and found 98 M&A firms like this. That is what I work with. 98 M&A firms, investment banking firms looking for lead gen support or business development support or something like that, right? This exit line makes me think, oh, this is specifically for me. These I'm targeting M&A firms, investment banking firms. This is and they're looking for lead gen support or business development support or deal sourcing support. That's me. This email is written for me, right? Make the ask small. Like, mind if I put you? This is for the call to action. Like, could be like do like a soft call to action, man, in the first call. If you're providing like a really great value, if you have the really best offer, if you're providing any kind of lead magnet or something, just you can go with the hard call to action, which is like on the call. But with your email, what I would do is like soft call to action. You can also do like in the first email, you can go with like call to action, which leads to call. But if in the second email, I would go with like providing any kind of lead magnet or something, just to make sure if they are hesitant after reading the first email to get on a call with you, in the second email, that solves it. And of course, the main important thing, plain text, no links, especially in the first email from a sender with no history, 1000%. Anytime, even if you have the aged domains or I would say any kind of like, even if you have 5 years old email accounts for outreach, never use them. Never use links, right? So how I would write this email, I have written like um, two email copies. I'll be quick with this one. So two versions, like subject line would be M&A farms would look like, oh, this would quickly make me think, oh, might be something, right? Uh, name, pull a list of 97 M&A firms, IB firms throwing off signals that they are shopping for outbound right now, recent SDR posts or agency churn or that kind of thing. You are one of the few agencies that I would handle to trust that volume. Want me to send a sample so you can see if they are fit, bro. This makes me think, oh yes, right now, send me the list, send me the sample, and you can, I mean, if you want, you can say, hey, just to make it more clear, let's have a call. I mean, and once we have figured out the targeting, or once we have figured out what kind of, I mean, you can really make it in that way that they have to get on a call with you in order to get the sample. You can do that. That's legal. B, which is like another version, which is like starting from a question, just I mentioned, like subject line would be client capacity. Like name, hey, are you taking on more M&A clients this quarter or booked solid? Asking because we flagged net 7 M&A firms, IB firms hiring for outbound less business development right now and can't work them all ourselves. Worth me sending worth sending a few over. This works, right? It's kind of same, but I mean, either if you're using, even if you have sent me either of those, I would actually respond to your email. I will not work with you because I mean, I'm a lead gen firm, so makes sense. But I mean, yeah, this is how I would write the email copies, and not like this. So, Steven, if you're watching this video was for you, or any of you Stevens out there, any of you person who is writing this kind of email, just don't do it. Make sure you follow these steps, and you will get more quality calls. Bye bye.